Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. My name is Stuart. In today's lesson, we're going to look at a couple of ways we can use the verb get in English. Let's go to the intro. Now, as I said, we're looking at ways that we can use this verb here, which is get in English. Now, I could be doing lessons for the next month on this particular verb because there are many ways that we can use the verb to get in English. But here we're looking at get plus ing and get plus infinitive structures. Okay? So we're going to have a look at how we use get in these two particular ways. Now the first one is this one here, which is the get plus ing structure, which means to start. Okay? It means that you start doing something or you start to do something. Let's have a look at the examples. Now we say, for example, it's late. It's time to get moving. Okay? It's time to get moving. Get plus ing, meaning that it's time that we started to think about going home. Okay? It's time we started our trip home, so it's time to get moving. The second example is similar. You'd better get going if you want to get home in time for dinner. Okay? So it's time you get going, or it's time you get moving. So those are the two main verbs that we can use here. Go and move. Get going, get moving. If you want to get home, get again, in time for dinner. Now we can use get with ing in another way as well, with the verb to talk. If you begin talking to someone or you start talking to someone about something. So I got talking to a man about a business opportunity. Okay, I started talking to him. I got talking. But normally you'll hear get with moving and get with going. It's time we got going. It's time we got moving. Okay, so that's how we can use get with the ing structure here. Get going, get moving, meaning that we start to do that. Okay? Now the next example is get plus the infinitive structure. And this means that you have the chance or you have the opportunity to do something, okay? Or you had the chance or the opportunity to do something in the past, okay? Or the future as well. So, examples. We didn't get to see the start of the film because we missed the bus. We didn't get to see, okay? The infinitive. We didn't get to see, we didn't have the opportunity or we didn't have the chance to see the start of the film because we missed the bus. We got to the bus stop too late and we missed the bus, which meant that we missed the start of the film. So we didn't get to see the start of the film. Okay, second example. I got to eat. I got to eat. Okay, I had the chance. I got to eat authentic pizza when I went to Italy. Now, I know you can eat pizza in England, you can eat pizza in Spain, you can eat pizza in the USA, in Australia we have good pizzas. But I got the opportunity to eat authentic pizza when I went to Italy. I got to eat, okay? I got the chance, I got the opportunity to eat authentic pizza. And it was fantastic, the pizza in Italy, I will tell you. The second example. Did you get to visit the Prado Museum when you were in Madrid? When you were in Madrid. Did you get to visit the Prado? Did you have the opportunity? Did you have the chance to visit the Prado? Because the Prado Museum is one of the most famous museums in the world. And if you go to Madrid, you should visit the Prado. So did you get to visit the Prado? Did you have the opportunity? Did you get to visit it when you went to Madrid? Okay? That's what I'm asking you. Now the next one. You're speaking to your girlfriend or your boyfriend and you ask them the question, when will I get to meet your parents? When will I get to meet your parents? Okay? I want to meet them. When will I get to meet your parents? When will I have the opportunity? When will I get the chance to meet your parents? Because I want to meet my future parents-in-law, okay? So when will I get to meet your parents? And the last one here. I found Jenny shy at first, but I got to know her over the years. Now this sentence here is a little bit different, okay? So I found Jenny shy, but I got to know her over the years. So I'll grab my pen and I'll just put an asterisk here. Because what this means, it's a gradual thing here, okay? It's a gradual situation. So I found Jenny shy at first, but I got to know her over the years, okay? So we're using the same structure, get to do, get to know, or got to know her over the years, but it was gradual. At first, I didn't really know her very well, but over time, I got to know her well, okay? So it's a little bit different in that sense, but it's that gradual thing, okay? I didn't like pizza at first, but I got to like it the more I tried it, okay? Didn't like it at first, got to like it the more I tried it. So it's gradual. So that's the only difference between this sentence here. So I found her shy. She didn't really like to talk to people at first, but over time, I got to know her well, okay? So it took a little while, but I got to know her. So that's how we use get in these two particular structures, with the ing and with the infinitive structure, to mean, as we have seen in the examples. Now, thank you very much for watching the lesson. Questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next English lesson. See you later.